Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Dakar Desert Rally fatal error. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of four steps. The first step is to update Windows. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Windows Update. On right side select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. And after doing this, closed off here. The second step is to set high performance guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Select power options. Select show additional plans. In here you just need to select ultimate performance guys. If you don't have ultimate performance, then you just need to select high performance guys. And after doing this, close it off here. The third step is to update the graphics card drivers. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. For Nvidia users, download the GeForce Experience. Select the download now option and download it. For AMD users, you just need to download auto detect and install drivers updates for AMD users. You just need to select download Windows drivers, and after getting download done, you just need to open the program and select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys, and after updating it, you just need to close stuff here. The last step is to use launch option. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to Dakar Desert and select manage. Select launch option enable, and you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Try launching using this launch option one by one and check if the problem solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use compatibility mode. To do this, you just need to click on the three dot icon next to Dakar Desert and select manage. In installation, you just need to select the folder icon. Right click on the Dakar 2 game.exe and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select apply and OK for save changes. Go to Dakar 2 game folder and double click on the binaries Win64 and right click on the Dakar 2 game Win64 shipping.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and launch the Dakar Desert and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.